Hi, my name is Subhash and today we are going to do this painting. For this painting, I'll be using A4 size canvas and acrylic colors. This is a small canvas size. It will not take a lot of time for this painting. This is going to be an interesting learning. So let's start now. So for this painting, we have taken A4 size canvas, which is very small. I have already done the sketch. This sketch I have done using a reference photograph from Google. Here, what we are painting is a street, a congested street, and then in background we'll paint the Eiffel Tower. It's a kind of perspective that I want to give is there is a door in between. It is basically made with the bricks, red color bricks. For this painting, I'm using yellow ochre, cadmium yellow, raw umber, burnt umber, black, cobalt blue, and white. These are the colors which I'm using. The painting is going to complete in like hour or so, but in this tutorial, I tried explaining this painting in 11-12 minutes. So first we'll do a blocking with different shades of yellow. I'm trying to paint the walls with the sunlight, and then some sunlight I'll also paint on the street, the path actually. So I'm using the combination of yellow ochre, cadmium yellow, some orange tones for the door which you can see there, the gate actually. I'm using a red and mix of burnt umber. For this darker tone, I use ultramarine blue, cobalt blue, and some burnt umber. I have not used black yet. I'm trying to create those darker tones using the blues and the burnt umber. Here you can see I'm trying to do the bricks effect. You can do it very easily, but you have to be very patient with this because every brick you have to do one stroke actually. Now the street portion I have blocked with the raw umber, burnt umber, and yellow. I'm trying to create the patches on the street or the path as if like those are the stones which are laid to create this street. Though it is very small painting, but I'm trying to do as much as detailing I can. And trying to showcase paint the sunlight coming on the street and the walls. Now I'm trying to I'm painting a restaurant on the street, the shades and like the glass effect I'll paint with the whites. I'll put some detailing over there later when we finish the painting. Now blocking is already done most of the part of this painting. Now I started with some highlights and the detailing of the shapes, the doors, windows, the shadows. For this detailing, I'm using raw umber, mixing some burnt umber there, and wherever it is required, I'll be using a lighter tone to give the light effect. This is not a very complicated painting, but here you have to be very careful about the perspective, the walls, the angles, and the shades. Mixing some whiter tone to do some more light effect. Now on the walls, some patches with different tones. It will give more realistic effect. Like this Eiffel Tower now started with some blues like ultramarine blue and the cobalt blue, trying to paint with very faded color. So this tower will appear as if it is far away from this particular place, and that is what I'm trying to portray here. Once this tower is done with first layer of this tower, then I'll overlap this tower with some blues, ultramarine blue, cobalt blue, and white to do the sky once more. I hope you enjoyed the painting with me. Here in this small painting, I tried doing lots and lots of detailing. I can do more detailing in this painting. There is no end for this detailing. So I hope you enjoyed. Keep watching to my upcoming videos. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys.